Hi, welcome to Minghua Technologies. In this video, we will show you how to operate pre-use check. Before running the pre-use check, select the correct patient group in the standby window. Touch pre-use check button. To ensure the ventilation running in a good condition, it is recommendable to always run the pre-use check before connecting the ventilator to a new patient. From top to bottom, the pre-use check is divided into separated items, including unit tightness test, breathing circuit linkage test, flow sensor calibration, neonatal flow sensor calibration, oxygen sensor calibration, and CO2 sensor calibration. Right to each item, there is corresponding information bar showing the test or calibration status. The green checkmark indicates the component is checked and ready, while the red X indicates the last check failed. A box with no mark indicates that the item has never been checked. Tightness is to check the linkage from the ventilator. To perform the tightness test, follow the operational instructions from ventilator. Use a breathing tube and connect its end to the inspiratory and expiratory ports. Select Check and wait until the check done. When the test has been completed successfully, the check mark will appear and the latest operation time will be updated correspondingly. Perform the tube linkage test. Each time you need to connect the new breathing circuit to the ventilator or component including flow sensor. The tube linkage test checks the linkage from the breathing circuit. To perform the tube linkage test, follow the operational instructions from the ventilator. Connect the breathing circuit to the ventilator. Block the sensor opening. To do so, you can use your hand or a plastic cap as you need. Select Check and wait until the check done. To calibrate the flow sensor for adult and pediatric, connect the breathing circuit to the ventilator. Keep the sensor open to the air. Press Calibrate. When the prompt window pops out, press OK. Attach the adapter and flip the flow sensor. Flip the sensor back to its starting position. Finally, disconnect the adapter from the sensor. When you need to calibrate the flow sensor for neonate, follow the operational instructions from the ventilator. As you can see, the steps are just the same as the calibration of flow sensor for adult and pediatric. Please watch the demonstration. When the calibration finishes, always remember to flip the sensor back to its starting position. If not, the flow sensor failure will be alarmed after starting the ventilation. Calibration of the oxygen sensor is needed after replacing a new oxygen sensor or some related alarm appears. Disconnect the breathing circuit from the ventilator. Make sure to connect the ventilator to an oxygen sensor. Click Calibrate. Wait until the calibration is done. CO2 sensors are already calibrated at the factory. You only need 0 calibrate the airway adapters. Connect the sensor to the ventilator. Connect the adapter to the CO2 sensor. Back to pre-use check window. Click Calibrate. Keep the components away from all sources of CO2, including expiratory port of the ventilator. Wait until the calibration is done. Once you have completed the pre-use check operation, the ventilator is ready for use. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.